Hello everyone, welcome to Vidhigya Explained series. Topic for today's discussion is Abide with Me Him. So what is this? So why this was in news? Because recently this was removed from the Republic Day beating ceremony. So we'll discuss a little bit about this and why is it replaced and it is replaced by which hymn. So it is a Christian, it is related to Christian. Abide with Me is a Christian hymn penned in the pre-modern world by Henry Francis Light. So it is a pre-modern, it is penned in pre-modern world that somewhere before 1850s, or you can say 18th, 19th century, by Scottish Anglican minister and son of naval captain. The hymn has been a fixture in the Indian beating retreat ceremony since 1950. First thing you have to remember, it is related to Christian religion, and then it is by Scottish Anglican minister. So that is not important much, but you can remember the nationality that it is by Scottish person. And this is Abide With Me Him is a fixture in Indian beating retreat ceremony. Indian beating retreat ceremony since 1950s. So we'll discuss about Indian beating retreat ceremony also. So this is the basic information you have to remember that who wrote it. Name is Francis Light. Francis Light. Now, it is always the last piece to be played by the brass band before the troop recede up Rasaina Hill to the tune of poet Allama Iqbal Sare Jahan Se Acha. So when this is the last piece to be played before the troop proceed to Rasaina Hills, and the troop proceed up Rasaina Hills on the tune of Sare Jahan Se Acha. So before this Abide With Me is played. So it was recently, this Abide With Me is recently dropped from beating retreat ceremony by the government. Now, Abide With Me has been replaced by Kavi Pradeep's seminal piece, "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo." So Abide With Me replaced by a piece of Kavi Pradeep, that is "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo." "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo." So this is, you have to remember, the last piece that is played is like Alamma Iqbal Sare Jahan Se Acha. Now Abide With Me is replaced with "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo," and "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo" by Kavi Pradeep, which was written in the wake of Sino-Indo War and went on to become a tableau of Indian national Sino-Indo War of 1962. The song was first sung on January 27, 1963, composed by Sri Ramachandra and sung by Lata Mangeshkar. So it was first sung in 1963 by Lata Mangeshkar and composed by Sri Ramachandra. So this is the basic information related to this, that Abide With Me is Christian hymn by Scottish person, that is Francis Light, and now replaced with "ए मेरे वतन के लोगो" by Kavi Pradeep, and "Sare Jahan Se Acha" is written by Allama Iqbal. So this is this Abide With Me has been a fixture of Indian beating retreat ceremony since 1950. Now it is replaced with "ए मेरे वतन के लोगो." So we have discussed the basic information related to this. Now about beating retreat ceremony. So it officially denotes the end of Republic Day festivities. So beating retreat ceremony officially means that it officially denotes the end of Republic Day ceremony. It is conducted on the eve of 29th January, the third day after the Republic Day. So beating retreat ceremony, important thing, when it is 29th January, 29th, on the eve of 29th January, it is organized by Section D of the Ministry of Defense. It is organized by Section D of Ministry of Defense. So these are the basic information that you have to remember about Abide With Me and this like beating retreat ceremony. So we have discussed. Now we will discuss the 5 probable questions or important question related to this topic. So the first question is, which of the following is correct? Abide With Me is a Christian hymn, Abide With Me is a Hindu hymn, or a Parsi, or none of the above. The correct option is, it is a Christian. Question number 2, Abide With Me has been a fixture in Indian beating retreat ceremony since when? Your options are 1947, 1949, 1950, none of the above. The correct option is 1950. अबाइड विद मी हैज बीन रिप्लेस्ड बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? सारे जहां से अच्छा, ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश। नन ऑफ द अबव। ए मेरे वतन के लोगों। ए मेरे वतन के लोगों इज एसोसिएटेड विद विच पर्सनैलिटी? कवि प्रदीप, लता मंगेशकर, रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर, ऑल ऑफ द अबव? इट इज रिलेटेड टू कवि प्रदीप, पेन डाउन बाय कवि प्रदीप। ए मेरे वतन के लोगों सॉन्ग वॉज फर्स्ट संग बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? लता मंगेशकर, आशा भोसले, महेंद्र कपूर, नन ऑफ द अबव? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज लता मंगेशकर. And penned and written by C. Ramachandra. C. Ramachandra, and first sung in 1963 on during after Indo-China War. So we have discussed everything about Abide With Me, him, Parsi Christian by Scottish man, that is Francis Light. And in Beating Retreat Ceremony, we have discussed 29th January. This is replaced by A Mere Watan Ke Logo, which is written by C. Ramachandra, and which is written by penned down by Kavi Pradeep. So we have discussed all the basic information related to this. So that's all for this session. Stay logical with Vidhikya, your best pal in CLAT preps.